7 Natural Ways to Shrink Your Stomach. One of the most popular fitness objectives today is to lose abdominal fat and shrink your stomach. Many manufacturers of specialty pills, beverages, and supplements claim that their goods can quickly get rid of belly fat. The effectiveness or safety of these products, however, has not been shown scientifically. Here are the 7 best natural ways you can shrink your stomach. 1. Concentrate on low-calorie meals. Eating less calories than the body requires is one of the best strategies to shrink your stomach. Focus on replacing empty calories with healthy, low-calorie alternatives like fruits, vegetables, lentils, and whole grains. 2. Select healthy fats. A healthy diet must contain some dietary fat, but not all types of fat are equally advantageous. Make sure to choose healthy fats such as chia seeds, eggs, fatty fish, nuts, and nut butter. 3. Eat less refined carbohydrates. Refined carbohydrates have a high calorie content, but little nutritional benefit. White bread, refined grains, and sugary meals and beverages are all refined carbohydrates. Try replacing these with complex carbohydrates which are found in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. 4. Cut out sugary beverages. Extra sugar consumption appears to be a major contributor to weight gain, particularly in the abdomen. A high sugar consumption can lead to insulin resistance and body-wide inflammation. Cut back on added sugar by cutting out soda and limiting the sugar in your coffee. 5. Choose lean proteins. Nuts, lentils, and lean meats are all good sources of lean protein. Including them in your diet will help you feel fuller after eating and lessen your cravings for sugary snacks. Simultaneously, it can aid in the reduction or elimination of fatty meat intake, especially beef. 6. Increase general activity. Increasing exercise levels deliberately throughout the day promotes calorie burning. Increased movement can help to build muscle, improve mood, and shrink your stomach. Use the stairs, walk or bicycle to work, use a standing desk, and park further from the building. 7. Focus on cardio. Cardio exercise stimulates the heart, burns calories, tones muscles, and aids in weight loss. Running, bicycling, and swimming are all cardio exercises. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.